The PolyScience HACCP Manager app is available on the iOS Store and Google Play Store. It enables users to extract, view, and manage cooking logs from their HydroPro Plus. Within the app, you may filter by date to create weekly or monthly reports. Logs are exported as a PDF for easy printing and management. Unsent logs are flagged so that you never mishandle your reports. You can connect to multiple units at once to extract logs from each within an establishment. You may also add various establishments to keep track of cooking logs across different locations. To begin managing your logs, download the PolyScience HACCP Manager app. Enter the details of your establishment for HACCP reporting. Ensure that your appliances are powered on and nearby. Select the appliance that you wish to sync from. Pair the devices using the code shown on the HydroPro Plus screen. Next, sync your logs. You can then preview each log on your phone if you wish. Select a group of logs to be shared and send them as a PDF for easy printing and organized storage. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.